like a small kid's house. Hey guys, me and Jimmy will go on my channel. Okay, we'll vlog my birthday.
There you go. There you go. Got the water. Woo. And pull. Oh, oh. About to play, oh, MagiQuest?
Magic. I'm gonna do this and then will it come up?
And do you want to do a wizard name for Jackson, like King Jackson or Prince Jackson? Maybe
Which one to
Sir
do?
Jackson or Jackson the Knight?
Jackson the Knight.
Jackson the Knight.
And what is your name gonna be? Sir Jimmy.
Sir Jimmy.
You like that?
No.
No?
I
What do you want to do then?
think I like that name.
You like that name?
We're going to take our wand down here by the base. We're then going to end up taking a couple steps back away from it. We're then going to plant our feet, and then we will cast and hold. And that's how we're going to use our wands. Perfect, you got it, bud.
So Dragon Adventure, you must possess all of these. Do you want to do that? You got to get all of those buttons. Do you want to do that one or you want to do something else?
What's that? Oh, get your book. Where is it?
Right here.
Quicksilver apple. Oh, let's make Quicksilver apple pie. Or quick. We must investigate the
There you go.
radiant red crystal.
You have found the red chest and some gold.
Ooh.
Got it?
Wave it. Wave it first. Back up a little bit. There you go. See? Oh man, trying to bite your face. You found the purple crystal. Come on, Jackson.
You've already completed this task.